hence there is some accumulations over here, which is what the institutions creating what liquidity in the market. So whenever you see a range in the market, it should just serve as a liquidity spot for you. For price should either what take liquidity to the downside or upside. Are you getting it? So you can see price took liquidity to the upside, took all these sell orders over here, that stop losses above this place. So this place becomes what your buy stop liquidity. So I told you guys that what whenever the buy stop liquidity is taken, price moves to the opposite direction. So you can see that what after they took out this buy stop liquidity, price started moving to the downside. But what happened over here, you can see that what this previous day low wasn't taken out. So you can see price started moving in a corrective way. Price didn't take out this low again, went up. You can see it didn't take out this low again, started moving in a corrective manner. It broke the structure over here. So if you are looking for trade, you have to know that what the institutions that are targeting what this range over here, this money that happened over here. You get it? It's a lot of liquidity over here, hence they are targeting this range over here to be cleared out. You're getting it? So you can see price move, took out all the sellers over here, took them out. Price went to feel the inefficiency. We'll get to that side also, and what and started dropping to the downside. I get it. So basically we'll be targeting what GG is currently very bearish. I'm expecting some retracement to feel some inefficiency right here before continuing the downside move. Okay guys, so that's it for liquidity. If you have any question, you can ask me. If you have any question, you can ask. Alright, so the same thing over here. So you can see we had this equal highs over here. And what happened? They targeted this high, took out this weekly high over here also. They took out this high also. And what happened? Price started dropping to the downside. So eventually they will take out this low also. So they have taken out this high and they'll take out this low also. So it already gets into the end of the year. So basically he wants to do some massive runs to the downside before the year ends. Because at the start of the year we had some range on the weekly time frame. So this way basically price is targeting. Okay, Konki. The one is up.
Hold on. I want to ask you about this. The monthly high, the weekly high, or the daily high, or something, or equal high, or something. When targeting equal high, then targeting the liquidity in the market. Like at what level should we be targeting it? Is there any indicator or such stuff?
No. So basically, first what you need to do is what let's say you have to be able to spot out this liquidities. Are you getting my point? You have to, yes, you have to know this by what using the structure, how market is moving. So if price is forming high highs and high lows, then you should know that what price is targeting. Let's say if you're in the bullish market over here you can see that what you had a swing shift. You get it? Swing market shift over here. From here, price was bearish. Get it? Price has been very strong here. But I got to over here, price, we're not able to break this previous low. I get it. So we had a swing market shift. This is what we call a swing market shift over here. Then I see this huge move to the upside. It broke a lot of structures over here. I get it. It broke a lot of structures over here. It broke the structure also. So you can see this week over here. It broke the structure. Good. So after it broke the structure, what happened? It made a corrective retracement to fill some imbalance over here. Then what it went out to take out this high over here. So what you need to do as a trader is what since you know that we had a swing market shift over here and price broke all this the lower highs levels over here, and you know that what price started moving to the upside, or on the 1 hour time frame price is bullish, hence you should be looking at what the 1 hour previous high, the swing high that led to this low over here. I get it. This was the high of the day or the high of the week that led to what this swing low over here. So you should be what targeting that place as your liquidity to be taken out. I get my point.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the swing high that led to what the swing low, which had which changed towards the bullish market, is where you should be targeting. Alright. So sometimes what happens is what when there is other money transfer in the market. Let's say we had another block over here, right? We had this other block over here, and let's say price, this movement over here didn't what trigger the orders over here. Let's say the order is over here, so price missed this place. This is where the institution's order block is. So this is where the money lies. But you can see when price came here, it came to create what another liquidity over here. You can see we had this equal high, and see it over here. Good. We had this equal high. And spot it. We had this equal high over here, which serves out liquidities above this place over here, this swing high over here. So when price started moving correctly to the upside, we should what targeting this high over here, or should what take your profits at the equal high level over here. But when price got over here, you can see what this place also it failed to break this high. Hence, it's also created what another what liquidity. When we look at the bigger picture, we have this, we have this, we have this place over here. So hence what there's a lot of orders above this swing what high is over here. I get it. So price should what take out this previous high, then what sell to the downside. So the reason why I'll explain these moves, I'll explain the moves that happen on EU and how you get a nice entries on it. Alright, so you can see the movement that happened over here. We didn't have any bearish candle inside. It was straight what bullish move to the upside, and the price left some inefficiency over here. So that's why what this candle, this news candle drop all the way to pick this order. Get it? So you just came to on this inefficiency and what started flying to the upside. Okay. So any question on the liquidity